One day, the job didn't disappear loudly. There was no announcement, no warning siren. The building was still there, the desk was still there, but the job was gone. Across the world, millions of people are already being replaced, not by other humans, but by invisible systems working silently in the background. This isn't the future. This is the present, accelerating. By 2035, entire professions will vanish, not evolve, not shrink, but disappear. This is the extended story of 15 jobs that will vanish by 2035 and the deeper forces reshaping human labor forever. Why this time is different. Automation isn't new. Humans replaced horses, factories replaced craftsmen, computers replaced filing cabinets, but something changed. For the first time in history, machines are no longer just tools. They can now decide, learn, and improve themselves. Artificial intelligence doesn't get tired. It doesn't forget. It doesn't demand raises. And unlike past machines, AI replaces thinking tasks, not just physical ones. That's why this wave of job loss will be unlike anything before it. 1. Data entry clerks. Data entry once meant opportunity, a way into the corporate world, a stable office job with fluorescent lighting and a chair that slowly destroyed your spine. The job required typing fast, not blinking too much, pretending Excel was exciting, but the work was always vulnerable. Repetitive, rule-based, predictable, and AI loves predictable. Predictable is its comfort food. Modern AI systems now read handwriting, even the doctor kind, extract data from images, validate information instantly, catch errors humans miss after staring at the screen for 8 hours. What took a human hours now takes seconds. No coffee breaks, no wrist pain, no oops, wrong column. By 2035, data entry won't be a job. It'll be something your computer does quietly while you're still logging in. 2. Cashiers and checkout operators. For over a century, the cashier was the face of retail. They smiled, they scanned, they endured jokes like, if it doesn't scan, it must be free. Retail tolerated this for decades. Then someone invented the self-checkout. Self-checkout systems don't. Forget prices, get flustered during rush hour, need training, laugh politely at bad jokes. Some stores already operate with 0 employees, just machines watching you very carefully as you scan bananas as onions. By 2035, cashiers will survive only where human interaction is part of the experience, not the transaction. 3. Call center agents and telemarketers. Once, call centers employed millions globally. Entire cities ran on headsets, scripts, and the phrase, "I completely understand your frustration." Now, AI voices can understand emotion, respond naturally, speak endlessly without fatigue, apologize without meaning it, just like humans. They can handle millions of calls simultaneously. Human agents are expensive. AI agents never ask for breaks, raises, or mental health days. By 2035, the call center as we know it will be mostly extinct, replaced by voices that sound friendly but never have a bad Monday. 4. Basic customer service representatives. If your job involves scripted responses, AI already does it better. Customers don't care who answers, only how fast. AI doesn't. Put people on hold. Transfer them 6 times. Say, "Let me check on that," and disappear forever. Humans will remain only for emotional crises, legal issues, situations where someone really needs to yell at a human. Everything else will be automated, including the fake politeness. Number 5. Bookkeepers and payroll clerks. Accounting used to be human territory. Spreadsheets, calculators, that one number that never added up. But AI never forgets a number, never miscalculates, never overlooks anomalies, and never says, "That's weird, it worked yesterday." Small businesses increasingly rely on software, not people. By 2035, entry-level accounting jobs will be rare, replaced by dashboards that never panic before tax deadlines. Number 6. Bank tellers. Banks used to be crowded social spaces. People waited in lines, filled out forms, asked questions face-to-face. Now most people haven't stepped into a bank in years, except to use the ATM outside. AI handles transfers, loans, financial advice, warning you that you're overspending, which you ignore. The physical bank branch is becoming optional. By 2035, bank tellers will be nearly obsolete, replaced by apps that never judge you silently. 7. Postal workers and mail sorters. Mail volumes are collapsing. Letters are rare. Bills are digital. Invitations arrive as notifications. Sorting is automated. Routes are optimized by AI. Delivery is being tested with drones that don't complain about weather. The system survives, the jobs don't. 8. Taxi drivers. Taxi driving once meant independence, knowing the city, taking shortcuts, ignoring GPS because you know better. Ride-sharing disrupted it. Autonomy will finish it. Self-driving cars don't sleep, get lost, argue with passengers, play music too loud. By 2035, driving passengers for a living will be rare, especially in cities where cars will drive themselves and judge no one. 9. Long-haul truck drivers. Highways are ideal for machines. No pedestrians, clear lanes, predictable behavior. Autonomous trucks don't get tired, need rest stops, drink too much coffee. They reduce costs massively. Human drivers may handle short routes, but long-haul driving is officially on borrowed time. 10. Travel agents. Traditional. AI plans trips better than humans ever could. It compares millions of options instantly, finds deals at 3 a.m., never forgets your preferences. Unless travel agents offer unique expertise or luxury experiences, the traditional role disappears. Turns out, the internet really did replace the brochure rack. 11. Warehouse pickers and packers. Warehouses used to be noisy and crowded. Now they're quiet, filled with robots gliding silently like very disciplined ants. Machines work non-stop. They don't complain. They don't slow down. They don't ask, where does this go again? Human labor is being removed aisle by aisle. 12. Entry-level office assistants. Scheduling, emails, reminders, meeting notes no one reads. AI assistants do it all, instantly. These jobs were once stepping stones. By 2035, those steps will be gone, replaced by virtual assistants that never forget meetings and never sigh loudly. 13. Junior software testers and QA roles. AI tests software continuously. It never gets bored, never skips steps, never says, looks fine to me. Ironically, the industry that created AI is now being disrupted by it. Turns out, the machines read the documentation. 14. Fast food counter workers. Fast food is about efficiency. Automation delivers. Faster service, lower costs, fewer mistakes. Machines don't forget orders. They don't panic at lunch rush. And they never ask, is that all, when it clearly isn't. Human workers are being removed kitchen by kitchen. 15. Assembly line workers. The first jobs replaced by machines and still disappearing. Modern robots learn, adapt, and optimize. They work non-stop. They don't complain. They don't unionize. Human assembly work will be rare by 2035. The future of human work. This is not the end of work. It is the end of work that is repetitive, is predictable, can be measured easily. The future belongs to creativity, human judgment, emotional intelligence, adaptability. The question is no longer, will my job disappear? The question is, will I adapt before it does? If you want, I can next. And if you find content like this valuable, deeply researched, future-focused, and designed to help you stay ahead of global tech trends, consider subscribing to Cypher Logic HQ, sharing this video, and following the channel. It's how we continue to bring you high-quality insights on technology, finance, and the systems shaping tomorrow.